okay. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, we don't want to hurt you. No. No. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, don't be afraid of us. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that was a big one.
She saw us.
Yeah, she had her ears out. She was just telling us.
Yeah, she was trying to intimidate us.
Mm.
Don't get anywhere close to my little baby.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Yeah, we don't want to hurt you. No. Hi, what are you doing? Oh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Wow, look at him. Look at this one. Yeah. That's a young one. Small horns, right?
It's a female.
A female.
Yeah.
Small
One
horns.
is a mother.
This one doesn't seem to want to leave.